What's little Hetty hiding inside? Let's see. A police car? Wow. What's little Hetty hiding inside now? Ooh, it's Flash. What's Hetty hiding now? Oh, what's that? That's so cool. What's Hetty hiding now? A racing car? Ooh. What's Mini Hetty hiding now? Oh wow, it's a light. What's Mini Hetty hiding now? Shall we see? It's a Transformers car. That's so cool. Oh wow. What's Hetty hiding now? Open up, Hetty. Wow, it's an octopus. Angry octopus. Ooh, happy octopus. Hetty, what you hiding now? Can we see?
I'm not hiding nothing.
I think she is.
You'll see her.
Let's see. This is the last one. Oh my goodness. Is Mr. Daydream or is that Mr. Cloud?
She's daydream.
She was hiding a lot today, innit?
Yeah.